Some RVs just don't follow the rules, and today I want to show you one that completely rewrites the playbook. This one comes from overseas, and it's called the Xtura. If you've ever dreamed about a camper that can confidently tackle rough, unpaved roads straight from the factory, this might be the rig you didn't even know you were missing. Now, the name Euromobile probably doesn't ring a bell for most of you, especially if you're more familiar with North American RV brands. But stick with me here, because by the end of this, you might feel like you've been left out of a pretty amazing secret. Euromobile has officially been around since 1983, but their roots go all the way back to 1959 under the name Blessing Caravans. So yeah, these folks know a thing or two about building serious motorhomes. The moment I laid eyes on the Xtura, it was obvious this thing is on another level. You don't see many fully off-grid, off-road capable Class C motorhomes, and some people would even call this a Class B+. Either way, it's rare. Like many high-end European RVs, it's built on a Mercedes-Benz chassis with a 2.0-liter engine pushing 195 horsepower, paired with a sequential 4x4 system. It's rated for a maximum weight of about 9,000 pounds, and once you add all-terrain tires and underbody protection, it's ready to go pretty much anywhere. The exterior is just as capable as the drivetrain. You get a ladder leading up to a fully walkable roof, plus a heavy-duty rail system that's perfect for hauling extra gear. And if you look closely, you'll notice solar panels up there too, which play a big role in this thing's off-grid abilities. While Euromobile doesn't list the exact solar output, they do say the Xtura comes with 330 amp-hours of battery capacity. Combined, that setup is rated for up to 30 days off-grid, which is pretty wild. Add in 145 liters of fresh water, and you're clearly looking at a camper designed to keep you out in the middle of nowhere for a long time. The camper shell itself is built to handle serious twisting and stress, with aluminum framing and GRP walls that eliminate cold bridges altogether. Everything is fully insulated, the floor is heated, and even the underbelly and water tanks get heat, making this a true all-season rig. Step inside and you'll notice something interesting right away. Even though it has a cab-over design, there's no bed up front. Instead, that space is used for storage and extra headroom, and there's a massive panoramic roof window that floods the cab with light. The interior layout follows classic European motorhome design, and it's actually won awards for its style and functionality. You've got a modular dinette with 2 opposing benches and a central table, a layout that works really well for dining or hanging out. Toward the rear, the kitchen sits on the left, with the wet bath on the right. The bathroom is fairly standard, but the kitchen has a really cool feature: a hybrid cooktop that runs on either electric or gas. So no matter how you're powering the rig, you're still cooking real meals. There's also plenty of storage above and below the galley to keep everything organized. At the very back is the bedroom, and once again, it's very European in its design. Because of the large exterior garage underneath, the bed sits up on a raised platform with steps leading up to it. The bed itself spans wall to wall and easily fits 2 adults comfortably. Overhead, there's a wraparound storage system, and under the bed you'll find separate wardrobes for both sides. Of course, there's a lot more going on behind the scenes, like heating systems, air conditioning, and hidden control panels that all work together to make life on the road comfortable. And like most European RVs, there are plenty of optional packages to tailor it to your needs. So the big question is price. And as you might expect, it depends on the year, the options, and whether it's new or used. On average, a brand new 2025 Xtura comes in around 160,000 euros. Is that too much for a fully off-road, fully off-grid motorhome like this? Let me know what you think in the comments below.